Hello, my name is Jules Zacher, and I am an attorney in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. And I've been representing victims of Legionnaire's disease nationally. The disease got its name from Legionnaires who stayed at the Bellevue Stratford. And in fact, I'm pointing to it right there. It's in my back window. Back in 1976. Legionnaire's disease is a form of pneumonia, and it is caused by contaminated water. What happens is the Legionella bacteria is in the water supply, and it is transmitted through a building that has not been properly maintained. And I'll get into that a little more further on. The disease is caused because the bacteria in the water is inhaled into the lungs of the victim. And this can occur through shower or jacuzzi or some other means. Currently, I have cases nationally, and I have one client who is in Hawaii who had been at a timeshare and contracted the disease. I have another client in Indianapolis. Unfortunately, she passed away. She was an immunocompromised patient. I have a client actually three clients in Allentown, where there was an outbreak from a fountain at an office center. I have numerous clients who stayed at a hotel in Las Vegas because of another outbreak, who acquired the disease, we think, through showering at the hotel. I've had other cases involving Legionnaire's disease for a victim who had stayed at a nursing home in Cleveland, as well as another person who stayed, or a group of people who had stayed at a motel in Ocean City, Maryland, and someone who had actually been in a jacuzzi at a hotel in Orlando, Florida. Through the years of representing numerous victims of Legionnaire's disease, I've acquired expertise or knowledge about the disease, both from a medical perspective as well as from a legal perspective. I have retained numerous experts, quite frankly, who've been very, very helpful in obtaining that information, and I've done a lot of research on my own in that regard as well. I feel very passionately about persons who have contracted the disease because Legionnaire's disease is a disease that can be prevented. And the way you prevent it is the building should properly maintain its water supply, either through temperatures being high enough to kill the bacteria or through chlorination. Many times I've seen where the temperature levels have not been high enough to kill the bacteria, and as a result, my clients have contracted the disease. Sometimes this occurs by the water containing the bacteria coming to someone taking a shower. I don't know if you ever noticed around the shower head, sometimes there's like a spray. Well, in that spray, oftentimes is the bacteria that's inhaled into the lungs, and that's the transmission. That's how people get sick in that regard. So once again, it is a disease that is eminently preventable. It is not transmitted from one person to another. It comes because the water supply has not been properly treated. You can reach me on my phone at area code 215-988-0160 or through email, which is zacherlaw@gmail.com. I look forward to being of assistance to you. Thank you.